Good morning, everyone. I'm Annur and here with my two friends Rogan and Vishnu. Today we are going to see about vacuum cleaner and how it works. Before that, let's talk about pressure. Pressure is a force that applied on a surface and it depends on how air moves fast. When the air moves fast, it creates a low pressure and surrounding high pressure air will rush to fill the space. This is the principle of vacuum cleaner. Now we are going to see how it works. I call upon Rogan to demonstrate. Good morning to everyone. I am Rogan from Day 68 here to give demonstration on this vacuum cleaner. We have made this vacuum cleaner by using a plastic bottle. A DC motor and fan is connected to a battery. How it works? When we turn on the motor, the fan starts spinning inside the bottle. The dust gets trapped inside the bottle and the clean air goes out of these holes. You. I'm Vishnu, here to give conclusion. This project shows how a vacuum cleaner used air pressure to pull the dust. The same principle used air pump, hair dryers, and evenly blow it. For example, in a straw, when sucked air out, the low pressure created in straw, the liquid moves up. Vacuum cleaners are a great example of science in daily life, making cleaning easier for all of us. Thank you.